Let's say you're looking for a beautiful cabin built by the Amish. Look no further. This is the one we call the Big Bertha 3.0. This one is fully loaded, comes fully turnkey. And as you can see, we're starting in the galley kitchen here. This is a beautiful galley kitchen. You got your knotty pine kitchen cabinets, huge countertop space. It comes with all your kitchen appliances. So you see, you got your microwave, you got your stove, you got your dishwasher. Behind me, you got your refrigerator over here. You do have a pantry right over here in the kitchen for storing your kitchen essentials. And again, just a super cool galley kitchen with all the necessities, everything you need, nothing you don't. Got a little farm sink here. You look out the window doing your dishes. Again, you got a nice size window here at the end for natural light. We have one of these smaller refrigerators here, but that's just because this is just a show model on a sales lot. As you can see, it can fit a regulation size fridge. Got your vinyl double pane, easy clean windows. Beautiful tongue and groove knotty pine walls here. Behind the knotty pine walls, on the exterior walls, you have your 2x6 exterior wall studs with your insulation in there. And then you also have birch as an option here if you want to do white walls. Instead of the tongue and groove pine, we also have the option to do birch walls as well. Okay, we are now getting into the wood stove, so we'll talk more about that later. It's, again, nice size living room. This goes upstairs to your 2 bedrooms upstairs, and then this has a downstairs bedroom as well. So you got a downstairs master. That is a queen size bed for reference, but you could easily move things around a little bit to accommodate a king. It does already have your 200 amp electric panel running through your 2x6 walls, studs behind your tongue and groove pine here. And then my favorite part in here is how convenient. Inside your master bedroom, you do have your own master bathroom. We can do a tub here if you would prefer instead of a walk-in shower, but a lot of our customers are getting older, so they want a walk-in, so that way nobody risks falling trying to get out of the tub, right? Ending up in the hospital. We can't have that. As you can see, we already got all your light switches. This does have a pocket door for privacy, so when you're handling business. And again, beautiful knotty pine walls all around. You got your recessed LED lights. Again, too, keep in mind, my point of view is a little bit skewed when I'm walking through these cabins because the ceilings look low because I'm so tall. But remember, as I walk through this, guys, I'm almost 6'7". 6'7". So I'm 6'6", going on 6'7". So when I walk through these cabins, these ceilings ain't as low as they look, guys. I'm just irregularly tall. So keep that in mind when I walk through these cabins. I'm a tall cowboy, okay? Underneath the stairs, you do have this little nook. Let me show it to you here from a distance. So there's your stairs. And underneath the stairs, you got this little nook right here. And this is for your 40-gallon water heater, right? Now, you are welcome to opt in for a tankless water heater if you prefer. But this one here, we got it outfitted with a 40-gallon water heater. Again, you got a little nook here where you can put a little dining room table, right? And across here, you got your, again, your pocket door. Let me step back and show you what that looks like. So the pocket door is the privacy door for your communal bathroom, because you have a second bathroom here. You got your light switches. It's kind of blending in with them knotty pine walls. And then straight ahead, you can see we got space for a stackable washer and dryer. So dryer on the bottom, washer on the top. And you look to the left, you have a generous size communal bathroom. So everything you need, again, nothing you don't. You got a walk-in shower there. We can switch it out to a tub if you prefer. There's your commode. Got a window over here allowing all kinds of natural light in. Got the little stool there so you can sit down while you're washing your toes. Ladies can sit down while you shave your legs and not fall over. And you do have this convenient kind of camouflaged with the knotty pine wall here, but you got your really good size closet here in your bathroom for your bathroom goodies and essentials. Okay, so again, this is the cabin we call the Big Bertha 3.0. Again, one more last peek at your galley kitchen. Now we're kind of making our way. Usually I'll go upstairs next, but today I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. We've already been in the downstairs bedroom. I've showed you the living room here, right? There's your living room, there's your back door. Got your little nook here under the stairs for storage. Before we go upstairs, I'm gonna take you outside and show you the front porch. Then we'll make our way back in and I'll show you the upstairs, okay? So let's make our way. There's your Big Bertha 1.0. And first thing you see when you walk out is this huge 6-foot by 46-foot front porch, okay? So look at that porch, massive. Again, 6-foot by 46-foot. The dimensions of the cabin itself is 14 by 46 livable times 2 because there's a second floor. But this porch is above and beyond that square footage. There's another 6-foot by 46-foot front covered porch. Just absolutely beautiful day today, guys, in Indiana. Look how pretty it is. Isn't that pretty? There's Big Bertha 1.0 trying to steal all the show here. But today the love and attention is going to the 3.0. Again, you see you got your little outlets here. You got 4 of these along the front. There's 1, there's 2 electrical outlets, there's 3 and 4. Now remember, this is all custom built when you order yours, so we can add more or less of those depending on what you want when we build yours for you, okay? So let me step off the porch here and show you the whole front side. Then I'll take you upstairs and show you what the second floor looks like. So this is what it looks like. You got 2 dormers up there, which we can add a 3rd dormer in between the 2 if you want for more light up on the second floor, but I really like this balanced look of 2 of them. And again, you got your black metal roof and just a beautiful cabin. Again, guys, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath. This one is on sale right now for $175. Let me get the side angle of it, then we'll go upstairs. Again, guys, shout out to all the Gen Xers out there. Some of y'all might or might not know I'm a Gen X model, 1979 cowboy over here. So if y'all are also Gen X, shout out to you. We was the best generation to ever do it, period, point blank. Go ahead and tap that screen for me, Gen X. Show me some love and comment what year you was born below. I was a 1979 model. Where's all my Gen Xers at? Comment below what year you was born. Show me some love. Let me see that I got some Gen Xers out there watching me. I got nothing but love for the Gen X generation, the hose water generation as they call us, huh? Yes, that's right. That's right. They built this right back then, baby. They built this right back then. Shout out Gen X. So go ahead and comment below what year you was born, Gen X. I want to see that I got some fellow Gen Xers watching me, not just the young folks, you know what I'm saying? So let's go inside and show you the second floor. Oh, I walk inside, my phone's ringing. I'll have to call them back. Let's go upstairs and show you the second floor. So when you make your way upstairs, first of all, look at them beautiful knotty pine rails. You come upstairs and then you got a bedroom over here. Let me do the grand opening and shut the door real quick. So this is what it looks like before I go in. 1 bedroom over here, and then behind me you got this huge lofted bedroom here that goes the whole length of the cabin, right? So the whole second floor is livable square footage. We can wall this off like what we did over here and make it a 3rd bedroom, which is what most people do, or we left this open on purpose just to get y'all's creativity juices going, where you can leave it open if you want. There's one of those dormers I showed you from the front. Again, we just have this set up as a makeshift office / little kids play area, but most people will turn this into a functional 3rd bedroom. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Again, I'm a tall fella, I'm 6'6", And my head is nowhere near hitting the top of this cabin, right? So it's very livable, very usable space. You go in this door and look at this. Beautiful A-frame style bedroom. Again, look to the left and you got your dormer on that side. Okay, isn't that pretty? That's a queen size bed for reference. Again, the Amish got it staged for me just to make it look like somebody's staying here and, you know, make it look good for the videos. Everybody always asks, are these speakers? No, they're not. They're recessed lights, not speakers. Again, a window there at the end and then one here, all kinds of natural light coming in. And let me show you the shot from looking over that way. That's what it looks like. Okay, so wouldn't this be a cool cabin out on your land? Again, this is the one we call Big Bertha 3.0. And that's what it looks like clear across. That place, this is so big on this other loft, you could fit 3 king-size beds in this room. It's huge, okay? So, again, guys, looking for a cabin, we can make it happen. Behind these walls, you got your insulation underneath. We can either do spray foam or fiberglass, and then the exterior walls are 2x6s with insulation in there as well. So it's insulated from the top down with these modern cabins. You got your beautiful LVP floors. Of course, you can choose whatever colors you want there. And just a beautiful cabin, guys. All right, we left all the character. See, we can seal all this, but we didn't. We thought it looked cool with all the character with it. So we left it just like it is. Let the natural wood show. Isn't that beautiful? Let's go back downstairs. And again, look to the left. Look to the right, look to the left. Let me show you this with the door shut.